So what's up everyone, SEMO-MAC here. So I just wanted to jump on here. Don't got nothing to review. Well, kind of do. Something that I picked up, but kind of want to give y'all, I know I've been doing a lot of videos, haven't been releasing a lot like I have been in the past. The reason being is because I have been working on my shop, turning it into a studio, and I pretty much kind of got it to where I can actually function now in it. So just kind of want to give y'all a little tour of it so y'all can see everything. As you see over here, I insulated everything in this shop. And this shop is pretty much a 12 by 20 is what it is. I apologize for all the air in here because it is hot here in Southeast Missouri. And as you can see over there, I got my little portable air conditioner right over there. I got a fan up there, I got a fan up there, and I got a fan over there. So, yeah, it's hot. But hey, trying to get this thing where I can be in here pretty much all year round, bring y'all the content that y'all want to see. And for pretty much for anybody that kind of wants to get into something like this, it don't take a lot. I've kind of overdone it just because so I can be isolated from inside the house because we have got too many animals. I still got kids here at the house, so I needed kind of a little isolation. So I decided to turn part of this is a second part off of my shop that I actually had built to pretty much kind of, just store stuff in, side-by-side stuff like that. So I have now cleared all that out in my other shop on the other side over here, the bigger, which is a 24 by 24, to park all that stuff in there. So it kind of give me this bay over here, as y'all see right there, to have that bay to do all of my content work. So pretty much what I've done, I don't know if you can get a good wide view here of this, but yeah, I just kind of threw up a little wall back there so you can see everything. My little redneck stuff here that I got going on. It's kind of where I can jot down some notes and stuff like that. But that's my background. I'm going to throw some more stuff. I got some LED lights, stuff like that. I'm going to probably throw up on that. But the one thing I really want to show you to try to help keep this out here for me kind of, nice and cool is something that I picked up off of Amazon. Over the doorway, there is no door over here. It's just a little archway that we cut into to walk in here. And you can see that pretty much right there. So let me get this turned around for you. So I will be with you in just 1 second. So to give you a better look at this, now that I got my phone turned around, this is the doorway that goes into my other shop. So what I did have was that curtain right up there, and it actually made it very cool in here after you get my air conditioner over there running. And yeah, I do have a lot of crap in here, y'all, but hey, it's the joy things that I love in life. So that's my nice little portable. I'm gonna tell you right now, if y'all are looking for a nice portable, that one right there, I think it's a 10,000 BTU, something like that. That joker, it is the dual inlet outlet. Had to cut a hole in the wall to do it, but it was pretty easy. Didn't take long to do it. But back over here, this is a thermal curtain that is made for going over doors. Pretty much the way it's held up, it is Velcro right here. It's got the really sticky 3M glue tape on here. Then all this is pretty much just Velcro, and it is magnetic. So I can take this, go here. Yeah, that's a little look into my other shop over there. So, but closes right back. This is a thermal material, so it is made to keep the heat in and the cool in, and keep the heat out on the other side, and for it to come in here. So I hope this works out for me. It really wasn't that bad. It was like 25 bucks. So hopefully this will work for me. But just kind of like I said, give y'all a little, see what I've been working on, trying to get all this done. And yes, I have insulated the crap out of this place. Different stuff over there. And yeah, I do have a lot of crap, and actually this ain't that bad. I've cleared most of it out. So, but yeah. So that's what I've been doing, and that's why I haven't been bringing y'all a lot of content. But hey, I've got some more stuff coming in. I really hope that y'all enjoy what I do. And if you don't mind, when I pop these videos out, if y'all truly like them, hit the like, follow, subscribe, do all of that. Y'all really came through in the past couple months for me. My channel is starting to grow, and it's all because of y'all. You know, it's just a redneck behind the camera trying to bring y'all content on stuff that I find and that, you know, companies are sending to me, and that hopefully, you know, I try it, and if I don't like it, I can let y'all know about it so you don't waste your money on it. So, but hey, this is SEMO-MAC, wanting to touch base with y'all. And as always be kind and have a great day. This is SEMO-MAC, and I am out. Peace.